So here for example 8, what we're going to be doing is we're actually given a graph, and you're going to have to write the equation for this function. Notice it kind of looks like what I would call a sine function. And oh hey, wait, no, it tells us right here in the problem. Keep in mind, for a sine function, your basic form is y equals d plus a times the sine of bx plus c. And so if we need to find our amplitude, well, it goes up to 3, so this must be 1, 2. It goes up to 2, so your amplitude is going to end up being a 2. The period goes from negative pi over 2 all the way to 3 pi over 2. So if your period is a total of 2 pi. So that means if your period is 2 pi, you need to figure out what your b is. Well, if 2 pi is the period, remember the period is equal to 2 pi over b. So if we set 2 pi equal to 2 pi over b, well, this just, by cross multiplying, dividing, or whatever, this is just a proportion b is equal to 1. Phase shift, your graph usually starts at 0. It has been pushed over by its friends by a distance of pi over 2. Now this is a shift left pi over 2, which means that your c is going to be equal to a negative. It's going to be a negative pi over 2. So when you plug it into the equation, this is going to end up being, oh sorry, this should be a minus here, not a plus. So when you plug it in here, this should be a plus pi over 2. So if we write our equation, we also don't have a shift up or down, so we're going to write our equation as y equals, we don't have a d, so we can get rid of that, but our a is going to be 2. So then we have a sine of 1 for our b, x plus pi over 2. A plus pi over 2 means it's going to be shifted to the left. So there are your A's, B's, C's, and D's.